Grinding teeth, I believe, now is epidemic. I think life throws a lot of different stresses at us, and people react to the stresses, unfortunately, with grinding teeth. They usually do it nocturnally at night, and it produces wear on teeth, which is readily seen on dental examinations. It can be easily taken care of, or at least protected. The teeth can be protected by use of a night guard. If you have enjoyed this information and would like to receive 20 free videos answering the most important questions you should ask before getting any dental work done, just go to the website you see below the screen. Thank you.